Hi Choice Kitchen, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be cooking corn moi. If it's your first time to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe and share the video to your family and friends. Let's get started. So this is the base of the corn. It's a mixed cracked corn and corn flour. So now I'm just adding my oil. The base of the corn was blended with pepper and onions. So now I'm adding other ingredients that I will use to make the base. Now I've just added my crayfish. So give it a mix. Now you want to add some fish. Combine the fish together. Next, you want to add some salt. Keep combining. Last but not least, you want to go in with some Maggi cube to taste. Keep combining. So at this point my mixture was very thick, so I went in with some water. So after mixing, you want to transfer the mix to a baking pan. Bake for 30 minutes at 150 degrees. Before you bake, make sure you cover the top of the baking pan with a clean film. So as you can see, this is the outcome of my corn moi. It's looking really moist and well prepared. If you want to try this recipe, go on and try the recipe and let me know how it turns out. If you have not subscribed to this channel and you have watched up to the ending of this video, please kindly do me a favor by subscribing and sharing the video to your family and friends. Stay tuned for more video. Thank you. Bye.